Hi again. Now let's create the arm. Let's see what we got here. Let's open this view a bit of the image, and in the in the project folder you will have this image right here if you want to see the details of the arm. So grab this image and just leave it inside this view to open it just like that. And now we have better view to understand what's going on here. Well, how can we design this one? The first thing that I want to do is to take a copy of one of these shapes and put it right here and to create this join. So let's take a copy, let's grab this, Shift D to take a copy right here, and R to the Z and rotate it 90 degree. RZ 90 degree, just like that, and just scale it a bit. Let's see what's going on. I think we are, yeah, one of these pieces has far pivot point, so grab them all and just like that, and right click origin to a geometry, and then G and take this down, scale this down, G and take it up a bit, G to the Z, just like that. Don't worry about misalignment, that's okay. Well, now let's take a copy of this piece, but before that let's bring the 3D cursor and put it right here. Well, this is not quite in the right place. I think I need to book this a bit, maybe from the right view. Is G and just move it a bit to the Y axis, just like that. But let's see what we got so far. What about this piece? I need to copy it and take it to the other side, but I need to bring the 3D cursor right here, Shift S, cursor to select it. That's cool. Now grab this one, go to front view, Shift D to take a copy, R, hold Control and rotate it. Oh my god, there is, I need to change the pivot, so hit right click to cancel the rotation, switch this to a 3D cursor, R, hold Control and take it to the other side, 180 degree, just like that, and leave it. Well, now let's see what else we can do. Did we need all of these things that exist here? Actually, we don't. Turn off the bevel for this piece, tap to the edit mode. Let's select all of these faces, hit 3, go to the face mode, grab all of these faces, F to delete them. And now let's select maybe this entire edge loop and or these faces, or actually I think I can yeah, I will grab these edges and hit G to the Z and take it down a bit, just like that, and hit F to fill this area. That's cool. Let's go back to the front view and let's see what we got so far. Maybe I need to grab these edges, G, and take them up just a bit, just like that, and there we go. Let's activate the bevel again. Now we have very nice smooth result here. Well, now let's create the arm and let's see how can we create this one. Maybe I need to add cube. Cube is big, scale it down, hit G and take it down maybe right here, scale it more, but change the pivot to medium point, hit G and take this down, and from the right view let's see what we got here. Scale this a bit, maybe just like that, tap to the edit mode, grab these edges down, G and take them down just like that, and Control R, let's add an edge right here to support this area, and let's select this face, and let's see now what else we can do. Control R to add an edge right here, and hit 3 to switch to face. Grab this face right here, this one, and extrude it. Hit E to extrude and take it and push it right here. Control R to add an edge to support this area, and grab this edge, G and take this down. And let's grab maybe this vertex and this one, hit G and take them down, and this one push it right here. Let's push this down, G, and snap it just like that. Well, that's cool. Now after that, hit Control R and let's support this area with edge, or you can leave it in the center, Control R, and leave this one in the center. And with this edge selected, Control Shift R to duplicate this edge and slide them to the other side, just like that. Well, now we got this shape right here. Now let's see what else we can do from the front view. Well, let's push these faces a bit out, G, and from the front view maybe we can see better. Let's push these right here, and let's see what we can do here. Let's add maybe Control R, let's add an edge to support this area, and let's grab these faces. You can leave it just like that, or if you want, you can take those and these faces, the 4 and G, and move them a bit, just like that. Well, let's go back to the front view and let's see how can we create this piece. Well, let's select these 4 faces and hit E to extrude them, and from the front view you could see better. Maybe I need to grab this vertex, hit G and take it to the Z, and there we go. Now we got this. Alright, now what else we can do here? Let's select these faces, hit I for inset to insert this, but we got a problem with the scale, as you see. Tap to the object mode, Control A, and apply the scale. And now let's insert these again, I for insert, and now it's working correctly. Well, now let's see what else we can do here. It's not necessary to create the same shape that we have here. You can make a change, and I think I need to make some change here in this area. Let's grab this edge and this one and this one, the same thing for this side, and hit S and scale them just like that. Well, after that, let's go back to the front view and let's see what else we can do here. Here, let's create a curve in this area, and let's see how can we create that curve. Well, I will use Carver tool. So tap to the object mode with this one selected, Control Shift X to activate Carver, switch to circle and create the circle. Hit Alt to move the circle, just like that. And what we need to do is we need to hit W maybe to take the subdivision down, and let's hit Alt, let's move it a bit, maybe right here, maybe right here in this area, and confirm it, confirm the click to cut this area. Well, now after that, let's tumble around and let's see what we got so far. Now we got this result right here. That's nice. Let's tap to the edit mode and let's fix some area right here. Control R to add an edge right here, and let's connect this one, this vertex with J. The same thing for this side. Grab this, hold Shift to grab this one, hit J, and let's add another edge loop. Control R here, or you can ignore this one and you can merge these. J. The same thing for this side, J. And what about this area right here? We can add Control R. Let's add an edge to support this place. Maybe we can add 2. Let's add one temporarily right here in the middle, and let's push this G twice and slide it, and let's connect these 2 vertices with J, just like that. And the same thing for this side. Slide this G twice, move it, and J to merge them. Alright, that's cool. Alright, let's see what else we can do here in this area. Well, now I think it is time to support this area, and let's add subdivision surface, but let's kill these first, just like that, and scale these two vertices. Let's grab these vertices and scale them to the X. I just need to make this almost circle. Let's grab these and key twice and just slide them a bit. Maybe scale these again to the X-axis. Maybe I can bring those back. Let's kill those. Well, so that's close. So let's add subdivision surface and let's see what we will got here. Well, let's tap to the object mode and let's go to the modify properties and let's add subdivision surface. Well, now we got this results. Switch this to 2 and let's add shade smooth and tap to the edit mode, and now let's add some edges to support some area. Control R for example here. Let's support this area first, and let's support this from here. Control R. Let's add an edge loop right here. The same thing here. Control R to support this place, and Control R right here. And maybe I need to grab these faces, all of them, and hit I for inset to inset this area, just like that. Well, now we got something like this. Let's tap to the edit mode again and let's see what we can do else here. Well, for this one I will hit Control R here to support this, but I will hit E for even, just like that, and grab this and put it right here, and maybe Control R in this area here, and let's see what else we can do here. Let's hit Control R here again. Let's support this place, and what about this side right here? Maybe Control R here to support this area from this side, and I will connect these vertices. You can do that right now. Grab this one, hit K to activate the knife tool and cut this area just like that, and hit enter when you complete. The same thing for this side. Control R and let's support this area from here, and hit K to activate the knife tool and let's cut this area just like that. And when you complete, it's very easy, just hit enter. And I think I need to add Control R here, an edge to support this place, or you can, if you don't, you can grab this entire edge loop just like that. Alt Shift click. Let's turn off the subdivision temporarily. Let's see what we got. When you complete, Control B for bevel and just bevel this area with 3 edges. That will help you to give you a nicer result. Well, let's activate subdivision again. Let's see what we got so far. Let's see what we got here in this area. Tap to the edit mode and let's hit Control R to support this place to make it smooth. And what else we can do here? What about this area right here? It's I think it's already good, but I think let's turn off subdivision temporarily and let's see what we have here. I will grab these 2 edges and push them forward a bit, just like that. Maybe I need to push those 2 just a smidge, not too much. And what about this edge right here? Let's push this a bit, key. Not too much. The same thing for this side. Grab this one, G, and push it a bit. There we go. Now let's activate subdivision and let's see what we got here. Now the result here is smoother. Let's see what's gonna happen if I add an edge right here. And for this side, Control R, and let's separate this one. And let's connect these vertices. Grab this, hold shift to grab this one, hit J to connect this area. The same thing for this side. Let's turn off subdivision and let's grab this, hold shift to grab this, hit J. And this one, hold shift to grab this, hit J. The same thing here, J. And there we go. Maybe right here too, J. Maybe I can add an edge right here, hit E to make it even. And let's add edge in this place. Yeah, now the result is better. Alright, let's see how can we create a small curve here in this area. Let's grab these three vertices and let's take them down. Maybe I can weld them with these vertices. Just activate auto merge and G twice and slide them down just like that, and they will be merged. And what about these? Let's jump to right view and grab them all. Go to wireframe and G and just move them and put them in the middle. Maybe right here. So grab those and maybe just move them a bit. Now I have nice curve here. What about this side? Let's grab these. Well, let's go back. Let's see what we got here. Maybe I just made a mistake. Control Z a couple times because let's grab these. Take these down and select them in wireframe to avoid any problem here. Yeah, that's correct. For this side too, grab these vertices, G twice, and take them down and merge them, and take those and just move them a bit. And that's cool. Now we got this result. Let's go back to the front. Maybe I can move the arm a bit. Key and move it a bit right here, and key and take it up. Just like that. Alright, so that will do it for this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.